nice day. Get your hands off of me or you're going to go to jail. Do you understand? Do not put your hands on me. Do not reach for anything. Do you understand?
What's your name?
Do you want to go to
Name.
jail? You're not getting it.
Name.
You're leaving.
Name.
You're leaving.
Your name.
You are leaving.
Officer.
You're not.
On October 13, 2024, a parking dispute in Key West, Florida, escalated to a violent arrest, raising critical questions about constitutional limits and use of force. Under the Fourth Amendment, any arrest requires probable cause that a crime has been committed. The question here, what crime justified this custody?
I can smell alcohol on your breath. Okay.
I'm getting real mad.
This is what I do for a living.
I'm getting real mad.
Okay, you can get as mad as you want to. Okay, I'm trying to explain it to you, man.
It doesn't seem fair.
It doesn't seem fair. But what I'm telling you is, at 10 o'clock in the morning, when you're trying to leave, the cars that are blocking you are not here for vixens. They're not open.
They were here. That's why they were here.
How do you know that Porsche was related to vixens?
Because I saw it pull. It was pulled in there the night when I came home.
Okay, so how did you get in there if it was here?
Okay, so if I park right there and a red Porsche is coming up right here behind me, that came in before me, it blocked me in after I came home and walked and got dinner with my friends and walked home. Like, I live here.
I understand that.
I live here. I park my car there. I live here. I have to get out and in.
I understand that, ma'am. What I'm saying is...
There is a sign that says Arnold's Towing will tow you.
It's time for you to start letting me talk, okay?
You want to arrest me?
No, what would I want to arrest you for?
Nothing, because you have no stance.
Leave your car right there. If you get into it, you're going to jail for DUI. We're done.
Do it.
Have a nice day.
What's your name?
Have a nice day.
Your name.
My name
right
is
now.
Have a nice day. Get your hands off of me or you're going to go to jail. Do you understand? Do not put your hands on me. Do not reach for anything. Do you understand?
What's your name?
Do you want to go to jail?
Name.
You're not getting it.
Name.
You're leaving.
Name.
You're leaving.
Your name.
You are leaving.
Officer.
You're not getting it.
Your name.
Don't reach for anything
You
in
are
your
touching
pocket.
me?
Yeah, because you know what? Turn around.
Help!
Put your hands behind your back. 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 Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
The officer threatens DUI arrest without conducting field sobriety tests. Under Florida law, probable cause requires more than suspicion. Threats of arrest can themselves constitute unlawful seizure. When the subject asks for the officer's name, he refuses. While Florida has no statute requiring identification, best practices and accountability standards support disclosure upon request. The officer states, "I'm getting real mad." This violates professional standards. Officers must maintain composure regardless of citizen behavior. Personal anger escalates situations. Physical contact allegedly occurs, but the camera angle is ambiguous. Battery on law enforcement on Florida Statute 784.07 requires intentional offensive contact. Was this battery or incidental touch? The arrest decision appears emotional rather than legal. The officer says, "You know what, turn around," immediately after frustration peaks. Probable cause must exist before arrest, not be constructed afterward.
9-3, I'm going to have one in custody.
He's hurting me.
Turn over on your stomach. Turn over on your stomach right now. Turn over on your stomach right now.
I won't.
Don't move.
I won't. I won't because
Nope.
everything that you just saw
You are
was
going
recorded.
to jail.
Send me to jail.
I have my
sue
body
you.
cam on.
I'm going to sue. Good.
Good luck.
Good. I'm going to sue you.
Good luck.
What's your name?
It'll be on
Say
your
your
arrest affidavit.
name.
It'll be on your
Say
arrest
your
affidavit.
name. Say your name.
Stay right there.
Say your f***ing name.
Don't move.
All right, fine. Will you have him
9-3, I'm
say his
10-13.
name,
I just
please?
got a holder here till
His
somebody
name
else
and
gets
his badge number.
Stay right here.
Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number.
It'll be on my arrest affidavit.
All right, okay.
Don't move and don't reach for anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Don't reach for anything.
I'm literally not doing anything.
Stop moving.
You're going to jail for force.
Stop moving.
For force.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
My back!
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Oh, your knee!
Stop
Your
moving.
knee! Your knee!
Stop moving around.
Oh, your knee! Your knee!
Stop moving.
Officer, your knee!
My knee is on the ground.
Officer, your knee is hurting me! Officer! Please get it off my back!
It's not on your back.
Officer!
It's not on
My
your back.
L2!
It's not
You
on your
have
back.
no idea!
moving.
What is your name, please?
Stop moving around.
Ow! Ow!
Stop
What's
moving.
your name? What is your Mommy! What's your name? Ow! Ow! What's your name? Ah!
It's okay. He doesn't have pressure.
Stop. 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 Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Calm down.
I never did anything!
Stop moving.
I'm just trying to
Stop. Stop moving.
Put the cuffs on and then he'll relax, okay?
arrest me!
You are under arrest.
Kill me!
You are under arrest.
Kill me! Kill me!
You're under arrest. You are under arrest.
Kill me! Kill me!
Cup this hand. Cup this hand.
Do it!
Cup this hand.
I'm relaxed.
Hold on, I'm trying to get a hold of this one.
Bring your other hand
You
back.
don't have to grab my hair
bring
like
it
that.
back.
You don't have to shove my arm like that. That's unnecessary force. Ow! He literally just grabbed my hair, ran my head to the side, and then grabbed my arm to the side for no reason.
9-3, slow everyone else down. She's in custody.
She's in custody. Oh yeah, the
They're
threat.
not double locked
The
yet.
threat is attained.
We're on the Francis Street side of Vixens.
Good for you guys. I'm glad you're a strong man. I hope
Stop.
that you feel strong.
Stop moving.
You're a tiny ass mother.
That's fine.
I got it.
All right.
Oh yeah, put all your weight on me,
Give her my
because that's all you have. No strength.
I have no idea. She lost her mind.
Man, we're gonna put you on the side, alright? You ready, buddy?
Hey, I'm good.
Where's your car?
Right here.
Stand up, man.
My house.
I don't
You
know.
guys are fucking stupid. I just wanted to go to my house.
Come on.
No, what you wanted to do was grab me from behind when I was leaving.
From
That's why
behind?
you're going to jail.
What do you mean from behind?
1, 2, 3.
Nope, just try from behind. I would like an officer with a license. I did not try to grab him from behind.
We're not doing this,
Any
alright?
body cam. I did not try to grab him from behind. I never tried to
in
do
your stance.
anything from him. I have nothing on me. I just want to see my dog. I never tried to grab my dog from behind or that guy from behind. What the f do you guys mean?
She's got nothing on her.
I have nothing on me. He got overturned by me being a big girl.
Good?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Hold on. She's not double locked. Let me get her double locked.
I need badge numbers of each of you. Badge f***ing numbers.
Stop.
For Richard what?
Stop!
Badge numbers. Name numbers.
Hey, listen,
I don't give a f***. What
know,
you're
but
doing to
you're
me is
making it worse.
unreal.
Okay, she's good.
What you are doing to me right now is unreal.
We're not
I don't
doing
give a
any
f*** who you are or what you look like. What you are doing to me right now is not okay.
We're trying to check for you for
I'm trying to go to my house, which is behind me. I had no weapons. I asked him if I could park in my spot. All I asked him if I could park in my spot.
Sit down.
I
That's it.
will.
It's over. It's over. Just sit
I'm
down,
fine.
alright?
I'm fine.
Sit
Guys,
down.
I'm fucking
Ma'am,
fine.
sit.
Sit down.
Please, just sit down, alright? It's over. That's it. It's over. You're going
It's
to
not
jail.
over.
Sit down.
I know I'm going to jail.
Ma'am,
Sit down.
My dog needs to be taken out
Sit down.
because he attacked me. I'm going
Ma'am,
to jail.
You will get another
No.
charge.
Why?
Put your feet
Tell me why
inside
I'm going to jail right now.
for
Why?
battery on law
Why?
enforcement.
What did I do to him?
You just
I
explained
did
if you
nothing
put your
to
feet
him.
in the car.
I did nothing to him. You were all going to jail for battery.
Maybe later.
I'm going to sue you all.
She's the one that calls. She lives here. She says, I leave at 10 o'clock in the morning. These fucking people are parking here. I said, ma'am, that's not the patrons from Vixens, you know. The spot is here now. She starts getting real close. I said, listen, stop. I can smell alcohol in your breath. Okay, you're going to leave the car there because you don't want to go to jail. She says, take me to jail. I said, no, I'm leaving. Have a nice night. Go to get in my car. She grabbed me from behind. So I had to push her up against the sign. She keeps reaching like in her pocket. And then it's like jerking her arms away. I had to take her down to the damn ground. And then I was in a stalemate. I couldn't move her on. I don't know what the hell her problem is. I came here, just like I am now. She's here talking about she can't park here. because she's blocked. I said, no, it's not blocked. The guy from Vixens walks over. She's complaining that, okay, when I leave at 10 o'clock in the morning, I can't move because the Vixens people are here. I tried several times to tell her, ma'am, if it's 10 o'clock in the morning, it's not Vixens employees.
Right.
And she's going on a tangent with this guy about when you asked permission before you moved in, I said this, that. So I told the Vixens guy, I said, look, this has nothing to do with you. You can go, sir. So I tell her, I said, ma'am, the spot is empty. She's going on about, well, what do I do when I can't get to work? I said, look, it's okay. The spot is empty now. You'll be able to get out. She's like, no. She's losing her mind back there again. So finally, she's real close. I said, listen, do your vehicle there. I can smell the alcohol on your breath. You're interrupting me. We're done here, okay? You're not blocked. We're done. She's like, arrest me. I said, I'm not going to arrest you. I'm leaving. What's your name and your badge number? I said, I'm leaving. Back away. I go to get in my car. She grabs me from behind. So I turn around, push her against that sign. She keeps reaching down by her bag. I grab her bag. I said, stop reaching. And then she starts screaming, help me. I said, stop. She kept fighting. I had to take her down to the ground and just hold her there. Okay. And that's why I was trying to say 10:13, but my earpiece wasn't hanging out of my ear. All the crowd started coming around. She's like, get your knee out of my back. I said, it's not in your back. It's on the ground. Yeah. Other guy was like, hey, he's not hurting you. Just stop. And she was just screaming bloody murder. Bloody murder, help me, 911, all this other crap. So I said, okay, you're going to jail.
Graham versus Connor establishes 3 factors for use of force: severity of crime, immediate threat, and active resistance. First factor, if the underlying crime is ambiguous contact, severity is low. Second factor, immediate threat. An unarmed female showing no weapon indicators or violent intent poses minimal threat. She's angry, not dangerous. Third factor, active resistance. Once arrest is attempted, she pulls away and refuses to give her hands. This is active resistance, but not aggravated assault. The takedown to ground control lasts over 3 minutes. The subject states, I won't, indicating compliance, yet the officer maintains the position. Proportionality requires force to match resistance level. Knee positioning becomes contentious. The subject claims knee on back. The officer claims knee on ground. Post-George Floyd, any knee-to-body restraint faces intense scrutiny and potential positional asphyxia concerns. The subject's verbal statements, however offensive, are constitutionally protected. Wishing harm on officers is not a criminal threat. First Amendment protects even via foul speech directed at government officials. Florida Statute 843.02 criminalizes resisting arrest without violence. But there's a threshold issue. If the initial arrest lacked probable cause, the resistance may not be criminal. This creates a circular legal problem. If arrested for battery that didn't occur, the arrest is unlawful. Resisting an unlawful arrest is not a crime in Florida. The lawfulness of arrest determines everything. The officer's colleague asks, how did that go from a parking violation to that? And states 0 to 100. This is damning. Fellow officers recognize the escalation as problematic. De-escalation was never attempted. The officer could have created distance, called for backup before physical contact, or used verbal techniques. Modern policing standards require de-escalation when feasible and safe. Solo officer tactics created unnecessary danger. With no immediate threat and no fleeing suspect, waiting for backup before attempting arrest is standard procedure. The officer chose confrontation over patience.
So, that was the gist of it. I have no idea how that went from a parking violation to that. That went from 0 to 100. Why are her handcuffs in the front? I didn't put them in the front.
They weren't in front.
She slipped them.
Well, let's fix that.
Okay.
Take her out to jail.
She's going to want to fight me.
All right. We're going to be taking you out of the car to put your handcuffs behind your back again. Okay? If you decide to resist again, it's going to work out poorly for you, I promise.
I want to see every single badge number, every single name.
Oh, you'll have all of it. They'll all be on your arrest
Every
affidavit.
single
So
report.
step out of the car and turn around
That's
against the
fine.
car.
That's fine. Every single name, every single badge number that's
Turn around,
listed
face
on
the
this. The officer that said that I touched him, also. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Completely understand.
Right?
Yeah, let's go. I want you guys to understand that I'm thinking this is the fullest in the law.
This was You're obviously like one kind of free pass for moving up to the front. If you do that again, you're gonna have an additional charge. Do not move your handcuffs to the front again.
But I will
mean, I'll say it-
also like
I'll say it
charge you
again
to the
clear.
full extent of the law. Like you guys, I did nothing wrong. If I can put you in jail, I'm gonna put you in jail for the rest of your life.
You're not gonna be able to. Get
And
back
I
in the
hate
car.
you, and I hope that you die. Like, you guys are the worst. I'm just trying to go home.
Put your foot in the
What
car.
did I do
put
wrong?
Put your foot in the car.
What did I do wrong?
I'm not gonna tell you again. Put your foot in the car.
That's what I did wrong. Slam the door in my leg and break it.
Put in the seat.
Is there a seatbelt on or no?
Yeah.
Do it, lollipop.
Can you turn your head?
No, I
Turn
can't. I don't know how. Thanks for looking out for us, guys. Really, instructing the justice on the society that it needs, huh? Putting the bad people away, eh? I hope every single one of you guys gets cancer of the epidermis.
Here you go,
And I
baby.
hope you die slowly.
Wow, she's fun. Hey man, we're gonna come out. Let me take off your seatbelt. We're gonna walk through that door that's open over there, okay? Let go of the seatbelt, man. Let go of the seatbelt.
I don't know who the f*** you are, where the f*** I am.
I'm Officer Beer Bauer, Key West Police
No,
Department.
I
here at
want
the Monroe
recording
County
of
Jail.
where I am.
My body cam is
No,
recording
I don't.
right
I
now.
don't trust
Okay,
you.
You're refusing to get out?
I want
Are you
recording
refusing to
of
get
where
out of the
I am.
vehicle?
Please
Okay.
record where I am.
Good.
Hey, sir, refusing to exit. Can I have a CO come down, please?
Got it.
Thank you. She's battery LEO all over the place. Now she's refusing to get out of, huh? Battery on Leo. Yeah. And she's now refusing to get out of the vehicle.
I don't trust him.
Okay, Miss Jackson.
That guy.
There you go.
I want his name and his badge.
You're gonna get
I
it.
don't care.
Ma'am, you're gonna make it worse. Go this way,
He
please.
put me down. I want his name.
Okay,
He's
we'll
the
deal
one
with that
who
when we get
said.
inside, ma'am. He's coming inside with us.
He's the one who said.
Don't make it any worse.
I'm scared, dude. What do you want me to do? I'm scared. I'm okay with that. He's terrifying. What do you want me to do? I don't know where it's going. This guy needs the shit out of me. Maybe go somewhere and then know where it's going. And I don't know what's going on. I'm a nice girl, and this guy was just there for. He was parked in my fucking spot. You know,
No?
I am a person who is like, I'm a menace to society in what way? I don't understand.
Johnson, step off.
Will you just kill me, please? What the fuck is this? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense to my value as a human. It's not okay.
From the subject's perspective, pulling away from arrest and verbal abuse destroyed her legal position. Compliance and legal challenge afterward is the only lawful path. If she intentionally touched the officer in anger, that's battery under Florida law regardless of parking frustration. You cannot place hands on police officers. The camera angle leaves this critical fact unclear. Her handcuff manipulation from back to front is a serious security violation. At the jail, refusing to exit adds charges. Each act of noncompliance compounds legal jeopardy exponentially. The officer receives a de-emotional control failure, de-escalation absence, and questionable probable cause, undermine constitutional compliance despite some force restraint. The subject receives an F, possible initial battery, active resistance to arrest, and continued noncompliance transformed a civil complaint into multiple felonies. Key West Police Department receives a C-. Body cameras provide accountability, but training gaps in de-escalation, civil versus criminal distinction, and solo officer protocols enabled this escalation. 3 critical lessons emerge. First, emotional control is non-negotiable. Officers expressing personal anger forfeit professional authority and escalate conflict rather than resolve it. Second, probable cause precedes arrest, not the reverse. Arrests cannot be justified by resistance if the initial custody lacked legal foundation. The lawfulness of arrest determines all subsequent analysis. Third, compliance beats confrontation. Citizens believing they're wrongly arrested must comply and challenge in court. Street resistance, however justified the anger, creates criminal liability and physical danger. De-escalation opportunities existed throughout this encounter. The officer could have slowed the situation. The subject could have complied. Neither chose the path that would have prevented this outcome. The legal questions remain unresolved without court records. Was there intentional battery? Was the arrest lawful? Was the force reasonable? Prosecutors, judges, or juries would decide these threshold issues. What's clear is systemic failure. Training failed to prepare this officer for emotional regulation under verbal provocation. Policy failed to provide clear de-escalation requirements. Tactics failed to prioritize safety over confrontation. A parking dispute should never require handcuffs. Civil matters become criminal only when actual crimes occur. The transformation here resulted from choices by both parties to escalate rather than resolve. Graham's objective reasonableness standard asks what a reasonable officer would do. A reasonable officer would de-escalate, obtain backup, and avoid arrest without clear probable cause. This officer chose differently. The subject's choices were equally consequential. Resistance transformed questionable arrest into legitimate force scenario. Non-compliance multiplied charges. Verbal abuse, while protected speech, inflamed an already volatile situation. Constitutional policing requires both sides to understand their roles. Officers must have legal justification and use minimum necessary force. Citizens must comply with lawful orders and challenge unlawful ones in court. This encounter violated both principles. The officer's legal justification was questionable. The subject's compliance was absent. The result, trauma, criminal charges, and a case study in how not to handle conflict. From 0 to 100, as the officer's colleague stated, that transformation didn't happen by accident. It resulted from deliberate choices by both parties to prioritize emotion over law, confrontation over resolution. What are your thoughts on this analysis? Did the officer have probable cause? Was the force reasonable under Graham? Should parking disputes be handled differently? Share your perspective in the comments. If you found this constitutional analysis valuable, subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police encounters. Understanding the law protects everyone's rights. Thank you for watching.